You're weird. É engraçado esse garoto. Oh, you can do it, see?
It's gonna go over. It's gonna go over here. See?
Oh, that's nice. Like here.
Tell them what's happening.
Ah, a gente vai tirar uma foto ali, vai aparecer ele na tela. Vai lá, ó. Vou aparecer na foto. Olha, ele quer ir lá fora, ó. Ele tá animado porque ele vai lá fora, ó. Já sabe até onde vai, ó. Estamos no Brooklyn, olhando para Manhattan. E ali, bem isolada, nesse pontinho aqui, dá pra ver? É a Estátua da Liberdade, só que meu telefone já tá triste. Então... Happy New Year, Mother!
Love you.
We love you!
Can't wait to see you.
Yeah! World!
Held on as tightly as you held on me. Held on as tightly as you held on me.
What is it?
What's in them? I don't see what's in them. What? Are you sure? I ordered something else. There should be something else in the box. Are you sure that's it? Are you sure?
For me.
Are you really sure? There's nothing else in that box. There's nothing else in the bigger box.
It's time.
Thank you, it's beautiful. Um pouquinho do esquilo aqui pra vocês. Tem tudo quanto é lugar, menina. De início você se assusta achando que é rato. Mas depois tô tremendo, né? Peraí. Twix! Twix, come here! High five! Yay! High five! High five! Do high five! Come here! Yeah! High five, Twix! Yeah! Okay, again. Twix! High five! High five! High five! Twix! High five! Twix! Come here! High five! Oh, you don't want to do anymore. Mommy, I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, high five. Aww. Okay, high five. Yay! High five. Yay! High five. Yay! Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bianca. Malamore, I love you. I've waited 100 years. I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you. Nothing prepared me for the privilege of being yours with you. Whee! Kupikage! Kupikage! If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, I would have known what I was living for all along. But I've been living